Welcome to one of my new construction home projects that I'll be representing. We look forward to bringing this property on the market in mid-June. It's currently being finished, so as I'll share with you here, you can see the home come to life. It's a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home with a nice open kitchen area and living area. It's got the nice black metal roof, and it's located on a very flat lot in Barton Creek, Lakeside. Come along with me as I show you what a house looks like as they're putting the finishing touches on it. Living area, we're gonna have this electric fireplace there below the TV, office, front doors, and then this open space, which would be a great lounge area, piano room, which goes around here to the kitchen, and the most amazing large pantry. Large windows, and then the kitchen island, the vent hood, and then your built-in stove and refrigerator. Entry from the 3-car garage, mudroom, laundry room here, natural light, private hallway with a large interior closet, which would be a great wine space if somebody wanted to close that in and light it up. It'd be a great illuminated feature here in the hall. Primary suite. His and her walk-ins again. It's on the right and left of the vanity. The toilet room. Be freestanding tub. Your shower. Got like a black linear tiled old fixtures. All to the floor, frameless glass, dual vanity. Again, your walk-in closet. So storage closet, 2 secondary bedrooms with Jack and Jill. And then no walk-ins, they're just tall closets. And you have the Jack and Jill bath with a tub. And dual vanity. They did a linen closet here, which is great. Secondary bedroom with 2 windows, all black metal frame windows, which are great. So the flex room was left open, and they did the full bath here. The shower, tub, sink. So this flex room could function as another bedroom if need be, but then here's your 3rd bedroom on the 2nd level. The stairs have these big, beautiful windows, Roberto's signature architectural addition with black metal railing on the stair.